Now, walking towards the famous Times Square, the heart of New York nights.
Its towering, neon lit billboards and giant digital screens create a vibrant, futuristic canyon that feels like the center of the universe.
This unique, electrifying atmosphere makes every photo instantly iconic. Its glowing lights, rickshaw rides, and street performance make it a place that is always alive. As the heart of the Broadway Theater District, it is a hub for entertainment surrounded by theaters, shops, and restaurants.
It's a world famous symbol of New York City's non stop energy and excitement.
Crowds gather here every night, truly one of the world's most iconic squares.
It hosts major events alongside daily street performances. New York's Times Square is a world renowned intersection and a must photograph spot for tourists due to its dazzling spectacle of light and motion.